Are you sure this is what you want?
Oh, spare me your spin, you tabloid. If you want to psychoanalyze someone, don't look at me.
Look at them, it's so pathetic how they run to fetch their sticks. Sure, call me polemic, unsympathetic. At least I know other tricks. Look at me and all you see is the debris of some defective outcast. A frenetic, unphonetic, if poetic, little iconoclast. But I won't live in the past.
I almost won this game once, you know.
But history is rearranged just to credit those who win the glory. So reality is changed in the edit when they spin the story. And we choose to feel this pain. And we lose more than we gain. But I will break this cycle of mistakes, uncycle of these snakes whom I want to condemn. If I can't win the prize, I'll play this last reprisal just to bring their lives all to an end.
You need regeneration.
Unfortunately, I don't have much faith in that process.
Of course not.
Why?
Of course not. You believe yourself to be incapable of starting over in more ways than one. I do not know who you lost, but is it not possible to get them back?
Clear the slate, start again. Are you hearing how preposterous that sounds? How do you not comprehend that for someone with my monstrous background, the whole slate has fallen apart? It's too late for me to restart. But it's not I, it's they who deem to play this game so cruel and thin. To remain deep and unproved. I think they're too afraid to fathom them. They play songs they can So I'm turning up the heat to saute either beef to get grilled. But I fully guarantee that today all the beans that get spilled won't be